Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. I'm sorry I haven't been posting this week. I only posted Monday, I think, or Tuesday. And I've just had a lot of stuff going on. And earlier in the week, I got a little emotional. Didn't lose anything, but I just felt myself getting out of balance. And yeah, so I wasn't really posting, I wasn't being consistent, but today I'm going to go through everything that I haven't showed you guys, which is like, I think, Wednesday, Thursday, and today's trade. So we're going to go through that right now, and then, yeah, that's it. I'm doing this earlier in the day because I'm done trading. I took one trade this morning, and it was a winner, so we're good. And I've got a lot of other stuff to do today. I've got homework and stuff, so just getting this out of the way for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you on the charts. All right, so we got the charts pulled up right here. This was the trade that I took today. Oh, we're on the practice. I took it on MNQ. There's the execution. I'll go through what I was looking at. So this morning we got a lot of sellers coming in. We were respecting these point of control zones, and then we broke through. Once we broke through on this candle, I really wanted to pull back to this point of control zone, and I had an order waiting there, but never got the pullback. We just flushed right through. And then I had another order sitting here after this candle closed, but we never got that pullback either. And I took it off once we reached down into here, which was going to be my first TP. So, yeah. And then we came down, we found a lot of support, bought back up, and then we came right back down. Didn't sweep this low, and then I was watching ES as well. You can see we found a lot of support here. This one swept the low that was made, and then I think it was this candle. Yep. So I was waiting for bullish momentum before taking any longs, and I really wanted to have like a confident setup since we had this whole sell-off before. So clearly bearish today, but when you're taking longs, you got to be a lot more cautious in that scenario. And then we got this 3-minute candle close above these key levels, and then NQ, you can see we found support in these point of control zones, bought back up on this candle close, which was this one on ES. We closed above everything, and it was a strong candle close, so I was confident to take this long. And also you can see we made 3-minute resistance here with, I'm pointing at it but you can't see, here, this low, that was gonna be resistance, and then we broke through, so now it's got to be support, and that's exactly what happened. So I'll show you my entries, maybe on the 1 minute, that's better. It was difficult because we weren't really anywhere near point of control zones, which is where I usually get in, but I ended up getting in on the pullback to, yeah, it was a pullback to the high of the value area, and then I got in 3 contracts here, and then I let price do its thing. I saw it retreating. It was just retracing, And then I really wanted to see it respect this point of control zone and even this one or this one too. I didn't want to see it break down below here. And yeah, my entry was up here, which gives it a lot of room and a lot of risk, but I was fine with it because I was pretty confident we were going to make it up here. And then you can see we respected this point of control zone, and once we started buying back up in here, I bought another contract. So we were long 4, and I held it up, and then like I'm thinking like earlier this week I was struggling to hold on to trades for longer, and I wasn't really letting price play out the way I expected it to. And especially with my strategy, like in order for me to take home and make those big profitable days, I have to allow price to develop in that sort of way that I need it to. But sometimes, like earlier in the week on Monday, no, I didn't trade Tuesday, Monday and Wednesday, I don't know, I just couldn't hold on to it for some reason. I didn't like being in drawdown, and once we finally broke back through and I saw a little bit of profit, I immediately took it off. So I'm sure a lot of you struggle with that, and it just takes time to understand when you can hold and how you can allow yourself to stay in that like sane and keep that confidence in the trade up even through drawdown. Yeah. So you can see we were in drawdown today, and then once we broke back through, we were in a lot of profit, and we were just kind of hanging around here. But I didn't take anything off. I didn't take the whole position off until we made it up to my target. So I scaled two contracts around here, and then once we started selling back down, I got out of one more to secure more profit, and then I moved my stop up quickly because I kind of expected price to just flush all the way down if we took this high and respected this point of control zone. So it did stop me out in profit, but then we bought right back up, which is fine. I'll take my $250 today. And yeah, that was the trade today. What else should we do? Oh, I can go through yesterday's. Yesterday was pretty annoying. I took one loss, and then I did take a winner, but it was on the practice account. So I've done it before, and I did it again, thinking I was trading on my combine, but after the trade, I find out it was on the practice. So, well, I guess we can just look at it here. Oh, I didn't add it? Shoot. Okay. Yesterday was Thursday. Oh yeah, I was here. So we had a little choppy action in the morning, and then we started buying back up slowly. We got a break above this point of control zone. Actually, I can show you guys too. It's better. Oh, we're on the 1 minute. Whoops. That's why. Here. Oh yeah. So on this candle close, both ES and NQ were above this point of control zone. I got in on the pullback, targeting this point of control zone, and then this one, and even further up. And then I had my stop like down here, but then I waited until this candle closed below it on both. So I just got out, and unfortunately I didn't get out up here where I usually do if we close below it. But on the next candle we just flushed immediately, so there was a little slippage when I was clicking the close button, and I think we got out fully here. So that was unfortunate, but it's whatever. And then the trade that I took on the practice, which I thought was on the combine. I was still bullish when we broke back through. Was it here? No, it wasn't here. I waited until, we found resistance here, and then we started buying back up, and then on this candle close above this point of control zone, I got back in here thinking it was on the combine, but it was not. I had my stop it was like 30, I think it was like 30 points was my risk. And then I scaled, I was in 4 contracts. I scaled three when we got up into here and here, and then 1 on the pullback to here, and I was out. So that was a good trade. Unfortunately, it wasn't on the actual combine account. It was on the practice, and that would have made back all of this loss right here, and then some. But whatever. And that was, once I saw that we were in the practice account, I was fuming. I felt super emotional, and I was like, damn, I need to get back into another trade. I deserve that. And then I didn't end up taking any more trades that day. So that was good control, if you want to call it that. What the hell did I do? Alright, we don't need to be on the charts now. So for the week, I struggled a little bit earlier. I gave back some profit here. I was up 120 on the day, and then I went back to pretty much break even. And then we had this loss and then this win today. So on the week, we're up around 100, down 100, 150, $200 we're up. And last week we were up around 220, I think. So if we go to our account, it's not updated for today's win. So on the week, 59, so we're up around 200 on the week. And so feeling good. Nice end of the week. And I think I'm getting a lot better at managing my trades at following my rules and sticking to what my strategy, I don't know, like sticking to my strategy, I guess, you know, and letting the trades play out the way I expect them to based off my strategy, and not cutting them too soon. So, yep, good end of the week. I hope you guys had a good week. I hope you guys didn't get too emotional. I think Monday and Tuesday we had pretty good price action, I think. Yesterday in the morning it wasn't that good, and today has been pretty good actually. So, not bad. I think we're finally getting the volume and the more fluid price action that we haven't seen in like weeks or months. Well, August was pretty bad, and last month was So, yeah, hopefully we get some pretty good price action next week too, and we can capitalize on some opportunities. So, yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. And yeah, all right, peace.